How's everybody doing? I'm back to sidewalk stripping. Last week was a big bust, but I'm gonna get the same sidewalk as I did the week before that. And I actually got permission over here on the right of me, and man, as soon as I come down there and start swinging a 25, 24, could be junk. Might be something good. Okay, I think it's like right there. It ain't real deep, is it? Might be a piece of metal too. God almighty. All right, it's in our plug here. Get my gloves on. So how's everybody doing this week? Man, oh, sorry, Mr. Worm. But anyways, how's everybody doing? Hope you guys found some awesome stuff. Let me know in the comments what was some cool stuff you guys found this week. And that wasn't deep at all. Hey, look. It's a freaking dime. I'm back on the dimes, guys. Heck yeah. All right, guys, we got a 17, 18, 19. Man, that's some weird grass here. See if we can get it peeled up here. Oh, I used to be a flower bed. All right, it's in the plug. That's what it's saying anyways. Oh, pull tab. Pull tab. There's a 22. Huh. Well, that's big, whatever it is. Kind of curious though. Let's try this here. Well, there's a daggone piece of foil. Hope I wasn't picking that up. Okay. Something good. Oh, it is a sun-kissed cap. Well, that's cool, man. I haven't found too many sun-kissed caps. Okay, we got us a 24, 25, 23. It's 20s. It's right on the surface. Let's see what we got. There it is, isn't it? Man, I hope it's something good, or something cool at least. Oh, it's a Bud Light cap. That's not cool, is it? Okay, 17, 21, 19, I don't know. Gotta dig something though. Okay, it's still in the hole. Oh, it's a wheel weight. Man, I found way more wheel weights than I ever thought I'd find. Okay, we got us a 21, 22 right beside the sidewalk. This could be good here. This could be good. No. Nope. This could be a penny. It's copper though. See if it ain't worth, it ain't very good. Nope. I see it. It's a zinc penny. It's got little bumps on it. Dang, better than nothing though. Better than nothing. All right, we got 24, 23, 21, 26. It ain't showing, it's very deep. About to see it. Nope. It's a bottle cap. Look guys, 25, 26, 28, 29. It's right on the surface too. It's probably another bottle cap. Nope, it is not a bottle cap. It is a penny. All them coin collector guys hate that. But man, these coins have been in the ground for years. And, I mean, you can't tell what they are unless you clean them up. I don't think me rubbing them a little bit's going to really hurt them any more than what it's already has. So, all right guys, I still got it. A 25, 26. In the same hole. Man, might be another coin down here. The showing is right on the surface. Oh look, there's another one. $19.79. Well, that's a copper. 17 right beside of that. Last time it was a penny. I wonder if we'll be that lucky again. Might be luckier. Man, I haven't found a piece of jewelry in a while. That's what I need. Oh, pull tab. Tag on you, pull tab. All right, we got a 27, solid 27 with all metals on. Huh. Man, sounds good, whatever it is. Probably another freaking cap. God almighty. It's a big NOS cap. Man, that sucks. Sounded good though. Alright guys, found a mid-high 20s there. Right there. Right there. See what it is. Hope it's something good. Boop. Okay. There's all kinds of junk here. Okay, there's a piece of foil. Oh, there it is. What we got? We got a crusty penny. Got a 21. It's 21 somewhere. What the crap? Oh look, I flipped it out right there. Another crusty penny. Okay, make sure my camera's still turned on. Man, that sounds good. Sounds good. Come on, I'm gonna make this my last find. What is it? The thing on? Yeah. No, there it is. 1979. Good old copper penny. All right, I think that's a wrap for now, but I appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching. If you ain't subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button, smash the like button, dislike it, doesn't matter. Engagement's engagement. If you like it, like it. If you hate it, tell me you hate it. But anyways, thank each and every one of y'all for watching, and I'll catch you guys next week, all right?